Assalamualaikum students. So, begin with the chapter. But before that, hope you are good, safe and sound. So stay at home, stay safe, stay blessed. Okay, we'll begin with chapter number 4, revision. Is emerging technologies. Now, students, we have started with the applications of 5G. Okay, applications of 5G. And in that, students, we have seen the online 5G games, okay, then virtual classroom and automated vehicles. Okay, we'll just have an overview of that little bit. Okay, now the very first which we have seen, the online 5G games. Now, online 5G games, students, they are based on realities. We can say the virtual reality and augmented reality technologies. Okay, so applications of 5G are basically built up on the technologies called as virtual reality and augmented reality. Virtual reality and the augmented reality. Okay, these two technologies plays a very important role in your 5G. Okay, students, because virtual reality and augmented reality both offer an unprecedented opportunity to really feel immersed. Okay, you will actually feel immersed, though the things are not existing, okay, around you, but you will feel that, okay, something is there and you feel immersed in that. Immersion, okay, as you cut away any peripheral distractions. Okay, so here the two technologies, okay, these two technology, that is the virtual reality and augmented reality. Okay, and it's on the Google student that Pokemon Go is a very famous online game. I don't know whether you might have used it or not. I haven't played this, okay, but when I search for the online games, okay, using 5G, so Pokemon Go, this is the game, okay, which uses the augmented reality. Okay, this is the augmented reality game. Okay, so 5G and AR means a leap in the evolution of gaming. A leap. It gives a leap in the gaming. Okay, because it uses the 5G students, and 5G means you cannot even imagine the benefits. We can say the advancement in the technology with the help of 5G, the fifth generation cellular network. Okay, students, so 5G will make augmented reality gaming both more mobile and immersive. Okay, so this makes your game mobile as well as immersive, in which you feel immersed. Means things are not around you, but you will feel that, okay, you are somewhere where the things are there. The thing which is existing in virtual reality, but not existing in the physical world. Okay, student. So imagine that no lag and totally secure connection is given by whom? By your 5G. Okay, so Pokemon Go is the AR game which gives you, and this 5G and AR together gives you the mobile and immersible feeling, okay, that you are actually present in that particular game. Okay, and plus you get the totally secure connection, and no waiting, no holding, no loading of any, can say the net. Sometimes we say na, when the net is slow, it just keeps on loading and loading and loading. Okay, which is very much, we can say, the nowadays the advancement in technology and in the networking has made us impatient, that we cannot even wait for a second. So this 5G gives us that same feature, that you don't have to wait even for the second. Within fraction of seconds, you can say the things happen. Okay, so virtual reality and augmented reality, these are the two technologies, okay, of 5G, okay, which makes you to really feel immersed, and with secure connection, totally secure connection. Okay, students, I'll just show you one image of, I have already showed in the last lecture of this. Okay, I'll just show you again. 5G. This is the 5G, students. Let's see the technology. It has become so handy. The things are, just see, and 5G is sitting on top of everybody. Okay, this is the technology. Okay, students, one more I want to show you, the evolution in cellular network. You see, this is the 1G, 2G, 1G in 1981, 2G in 1991, 3G in 1996, then 4G in 2008, and 5G in 2018. Just see how the network has evolved, the cellular network, students. Okay, so this is because of the technology, students. Technology gives you the options, okay, to update yourself, okay, with the technology. Now here one more important concept which 5G gives is there is no latency. Okay, latency is what, students? It is the delay between a user's action and a web application's response to that action. Okay, so it's often referred to in networking terms as the total round trip time taken for a data packet to travel. Okay, because students, 5G is so advanced and it has so much faster speed that there is no doubt 5G has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the physical and virtual world. Okay, students, so what makes 5G really revolutionary is reduced latency. Okay, just now we have seen that reduced latency. Reduced latency. What is reduced latency, students? Just now I've said you that is the delay between a user's action and a web application response to that action, often referred to in networking terms as the total round trip. Okay, the total round trip, we can say. Total round trip. The time takes for a data packet to travel. Okay, total round trip time taken for a data packet to travel, and there is a delay between a user's action and a web application's response to that action. Okay, so that's why 5G is a revolutionary, we can say, because it is reduced latency. Okay, the stability and low latency will come from utilizing short range frequencies, as well as advancement within both hardware and software, because as the technology is always having the, we can say, the added features, the upgradation. Okay, even the hardware and software is getting highly configured. Means we are getting the high configuration type of hardware and software now. Okay, students, So there is a need that there should be advancement in both hardware and software as well. Okay, so here is the applications of 5G of online 5G games, students. Okay, now immersion in AR is what, students? Immersion, that means in which you get immersed. It is a condition in which the user loses awareness of the fact. Okay, just now I've said that immersed, totally immersed. That means you cannot identify or differentiate between that you are in a real world or in the virtual world. Okay, students, so that's why it is what immersion is what? Immersion in AR or immersion. You can say anything. Immersion in AR is what, students? It is the condition in which the user loses awareness, okay, of the fact that they are actually in an artificial world. Okay, students, so he or she experiences the virtual world with all of their senses. Okay, that means here the user is having no awareness that they are actually in the artificial world. Okay, but what the user, he or she experiences, that the virtual world with all of their senses. Means they cannot identify or differentiate that they are in the physical world or the artificial world, okay, the virtual world. Okay, so immersion is what is it? In which the user loses awareness. That they are actually in the artificial world, the world which is created by the technology, the virtual world. Okay, students, so this is the immersion in AR. Okay, students, so in this way we can say the online games are played with the help of the 5G and augmented reality or the virtual reality. Okay, the next application is yours. Here is the automated vehicles. Automated vehicles. What are the automated vehicles? A self-driving car, also known as an autonomous vehicle, connected and autonomous vehicle, driverless car, or a robot car, or a robotic car. Okay, is a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment and moving safely with little or no human input. Okay, students, so this is what? This is the automated vehicle. What it is? It is a self-driving car, mostly without a driver. Okay, a self-driving car, which is also known as an autonomous vehicle. Okay, so and it is connected and autonomous vehicle. We can say the autonomous vehicle, or that is the AV, or the connected autonomous vehicle. That is the CAV. Okay, students, so and it can also be called as the driverless car or the robo car or robotic car. Okay, so it's a car, we can say, or it's a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment and moving safely with little or no human input. Okay, students, what it is? That it is capable of sensing its environment. It is capable of sensing its environment. And moving safely with little or no human intervention or input. With little or no human input. Why, student? Because it is a driverless car. Sometimes it is called as a driverless car also, and it is a self-driving car. So it has that sensor to sense the environment, and if any obstruction comes in between, it stops there itself. Okay, so it senses the environment, where to give a break and where to move, where to stop. Okay, student, that's why it is what? It is a driverless car, or it is also called as the robo car or robotic car. Okay, so students, it has one important concept called LiDAR. Okay, LiDAR, that is the light detection and ranging. Light detection and ranging. Detection and ranging. Okay, with the help of this, the car moves freely and safely in the environment because of the sensor. Okay, so CAV, or the connected autonomous vehicle, is a transformative technology, students, we can say, that has great potential for reducing traffic accidents, enhancing quality of life, and improving the efficiency of transformation system. Okay, students, so autonomous cars create and maintain a map of their surrounding based on a variation, okay, or the variety of sensors which is situated in different parts of the vehicle. Okay, students, so that's why what it can sense the environment, because already it has a map which is maintained of the surrounding based on a variety of sensors and situated in different part of the vehicles. So that's why CAV, that is the connected autonomous vehicle, is a transformative technology that has great potential for reducing traffic accidents, enhancing quality of life, and improving the efficiency of transformation system. That means no need to have a driver. Okay, already map is there, the sensor is there, okay, which sense the surrounding, the environment, and accordingly the car moves. Okay, we will just see if there is any autonomous car example is there. Let's see. This. Vehicle. In this way the car moves. It has a map which is built, okay, and accordingly it senses the environment and it moves with the help of different sensors which is situated in different parts of the car. Okay, with driver or with no driver, it depends. That's why it is also called as the robo car or the robotic vehicle. Okay, so self-driving cars, self-sensors are there. Okay, so let's see. So this is a autonomous vehicle, students. So in future there will be no need to have a driver. The car will move on its own with the help of the 5G. Okay, that is the connected technology. Okay, students, so hope you've understood this. Okay, and what autonomous car, it has the what? It creates and maintains the map and maintain the map of their surrounding. And it is sensed by the sensors which is situated in different parts of the vehicle. Okay, so hope you've understood this, the virtual gaming and the autonomous car or the vehicle. So inshallah in next lecture we'll just see the virtual classroom. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, stay healthy. Assalam.